is the way that you left me. Side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh, now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake now, you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh.
Hello my friends, and welcome back to another Clean With Me. I am really excited to be sharing lots of cleaning motivation in today's video, so stay tuned for that. But first I'm going to be sharing a Buffalo Ranch stuffed chicken breast recipe, as this was so good and it wasn't too spicy, but it does have a little bite to it. So I am really excited to share this recipe with you guys today before we get on into some cleaning.
Reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me
So I'm just giving you an overview of my house, as it was totally trashed, you guys. I can't even believe the mess that accumulates in my house. So my days are jam packed, as I'm sure yours are as well, as a stay-at-home mom, working mom, work from home mom. No matter the title, our houses, we can never really seem to get caught up. I'm gonna go ahead and make my favorite iced coffee here, and we're gonna go ahead and tackle this mess. I hope that you put me up on whatever device that you are watching from, and you hopefully get up and moving with me. And if you are sitting down relaxing and enjoying a coffee to try and get motivated, that is awesome as well. Either way, let me know in the comments what you're doing while watching today. Let's do this.
I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
So I realized it's been a hot minute since I introduced myself. So hello, my name is Brianne. I live in Ontario, Canada, and I have two little girls aged 2 and 4. I've been married to my wonderful husband for 5 years, and I started this YouTube journey a little over a year ago, and I'm really excited about what's to come here on my channel. I run another home business on the side of this, and I actually just started homeschooling our daughter, so things are very hectic around this house, hence why there is always so much cleaning to do. I love sharing tons of motivational lifestyle content here, from cleaning and homemaking motivation to home DIY projects, and just lots of real life messes as a mom with little kids, as I'm trying to navigate through this incredible journey of motherhood. I'm very blessed to have our amazing YouTube family and community to lean on, to motivate, and to encourage one another no matter what season of life you're in. I want you to know that you matter, the stuff you do around your home matters, and you are a true inspiration. So I want to go ahead and invite you to hit that red subscribe button and join our growing, amazing YouTube family and come along this journey with me.
mistakes haunt us, but do they really daunt us? Your tongue can be sharp, cut me close to the heart, but we can master the art. And the thing is that these scars are scary, but they are just some old scars. We should never be afraid of them. You and I know when we are too far apart, everything just falls apart. So I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free.
So moving on from our master bedroom, I'm gonna go ahead and just get some realistic mom life motivation done. Let's get this laundry done with some quick editing magic, and then we're gonna move on into our main bathroom. Obviously, this being a really high traffic area, it's just stuff gets thrown everywhere. You can see the painting cups from my children as we did some painting this morning. So let's go ahead and get this bathroom tidied up.
We're walking down a path, and the wind will change at last, like a song about our past. So I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free. I can't see the point of pointing fingers. Come on, let's rejoice of what will come. I have made the choice of thinking bigger. 'Cause you are all that I need. You are all that so I just close my eyes.
And if you are wondering what I am using for cleaning products, I am using all the Method products in today's video. So on the wood in our master bedroom, I went ahead and used the Method wood cleaner in the almond scent. And then throughout the rest of the house, I am just using this Method multi-surface spray in the sea salt and lime. I absolutely love the smell of this stuff. It is like so fresh and so clean. And yes, that's kind of what I'm using around the house here. Now we are moving on into the main living area. This place just gets trashed. I just like can't even. We just made a playroom and still somehow there's stuff everywhere, but that's okay. Again, we're just trying to find joy in the journey. So let's go ahead and get this picked up.
She pulls the trigger and I'm just blown away downright. My mind's indifferent to know what's wrong or right. Her bite is bittersweet, cause I'm stuck between her lines. She silenced me with words that shouldn't be combined. Oh, I can't go on. Yeah, I must be strong, cause I'm weighing us down. Just a little bit. Calm down and get your real applied. The scale is running wild, it's heavy on my side. I'm throwing things at you, but nothing seems to stick. I'm swimming round your aisle, think I'm losing my grip. Oh,
I hope that you guys enjoyed that little music break to one of my personal favorite songs. It's called 99.5, and just something about it just gets me so pumped up. I know it's been a while since I have shared that song, and so I wanted to go ahead and just let it play. But next I'm going ahead and vacuuming the main living area before we move on into the kitchen.
It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
This wouldn't be a true stay-at-home mom clean with me if we did not go ahead and tackle all of these dishes. So again, that's kind of what we're doing here. I did want to pop on here though and just say, if you are still watching, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you, and I hope that you know how much it means to me. And if you haven't already given this video a thumbs up, please consider doing it. It really does help out my channel as a small YouTuber, and basically it just helps to push out my content to other amazing people. And so I would love to help motivate and inspire so many other people, and so that is just kind of my main goal with my YouTube channel. And I know that mom life is one of the hardest things ever, but it truly is one of the most rewarding things as well. And just know again that what you do around your house truly matters. Also, I hope that you've been enjoying these little bits of pockets of peace that I have included in today's video. So if you're enjoying that, make sure that you let me know down below as well, and I will keep doing it in future videos.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel.
Alright my friends, it is time to go ahead and wrap up today's video. So again, thank you so much for being here with me today. Thank you for motivating me and inspiring me to continue to create content for you guys. I hope you know how much you all mean to me, and I hope that this video got you up and motivated. But that is all that I have for you today. We will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.
Back to where we came from. If my hands are empty